And then, Donald Trump can come out and say, oh, the system's rigged and I didn't get my fair shake in court and blah, blah, blah. Bro, the stuff you said in a courtroom, you should be locked up already. If you were any other citizen of the United States attacking judges, you would be held in contempt.
Yeah.
You're getting away very easy compared to the average Americans. You want to talk about the miscarriage of justice and the distribution of power in the judicial system. Trump is the guy with all the power. Trump is the guy who's getting treated unevenly because he's getting treated well compared to the average American.
Totally. Did you hear what happened in his civil trial today?
I did not.
So Trump has recently gotten sued for fraud for valuing his buildings wrong in New York, and the sentencing is going to be like a $320 million fine that needs to be paid or something like that. God, that's so
funny.
And he had put in a petition or something to speak for himself in the closing argument of his defense today. And the judge was going to allow it with the caveat that he couldn't attack the attorney general who had brought the case and that he couldn't personally attack the judge. And so he gets up and he does both of those things instantly. And he's not going to get punished for it because the justice system workers here are actually sensitive to the political ramifications of their issues, which I don't fault them for, which I give them grace for. I'm actually thankful. I think that's a good thing.
Yeah.
But we do have to acknowledge that means he's getting treated better. Right.
So every time Marjorie Taylor Greene comes out and says that there's a weaponization of the government and a two-tier justice system, yeah, a tier for Donald Trump and literally every other person.
Yes. Because you can only make that argument realistically if there's no evidence that he committed these crimes. But anyone who's looking at these arguments critically knows that there are very good arguments being made against him.
Right.
Very good arguments.
Listen, if you read the indictments and just assume everything in the indictments are true for a second. If you just read them and you assume everything's true, Trump is obviously guilty, right?
Yes.
So Trump, like you really got to find a lot of stuff to support your claim that these things aren't true. Obviously, that's not how it works in the judicial system, right? Jack Smith is going to have to prove his case beyond a reasonable doubt. But if he's able to do so, all the things in the indictment are very damning. So,
yeah,
I mean, listen, unless Jack Smith is lying and he doesn't have a good case, Trump is going to jail, dude.
Yeah. Well,
we'll see.
Yeah.